Okay, so in this video I just want to give a quick market update. It is Saturday, 7th of September. Looks like the big front page news is that there was must have been some sort of Fed announcement. Honestly, I haven't really looked into it too much, but it seems to be dovish in that it's expected rates will come down, at least according to Bloomberg. And also apparently there wasn't a very good jobs report that was worse than expected. Anyways, I'm not going to draw too much on the news. One thing I do want to talk about, on the other hand, though, is the US dollar. Looking at the monthly, you can see it's been in a fairly long uptrend. And potentially right now we're seeing a pullback, which kind of has coincided with risk on in the markets. That's interesting. So in terms of what's going on in commodities markets, well, just before that, having a quick peek at bond yields, they look like they're coming up a little bit. Another indication of risk on in the markets. Quick look at commodities, you'll find that commodities do seem to be bouncing back up a little bit as well. Particularly, I think industrial metals is a good sort of indication of risk on or off, and that appears to be bouncing back up. So it does seem that the markets are indicating a bit of risk on, and in terms of New York advanced declines, we're at new highs. New York high lows, we're at new highs as well. Even the value line is kind of indicated that there's a fair bit of breadth in the stock market. There's junk bonds as well. So it does seem that the markets are fairly risk on. Small caps don't necessarily agree with that, so there is a bit of divergence. But SP 500 is clearly broken out of the trading range. So that's really what's going on with markets at the moment. I think there may be potential for a long US dollar opportunity. But yeah, it does overall. I do feel like I'm getting a bit of a risk on vibe. So yeah, thanks for listening.